Now let me know that about your layer project in Iran. Please let us know that in which project you are doing, what the capacity, and what is your job in this, and what you provide, what is your products. Your, you please let us know.
We're working in the list, especially in Iran, in poultry and food industry wards. We have layer and broiler and breeder and feed milk plants and water purification and treatment equipment and systems in Iran. We equip more than 3,000 houses in Iran and Iraq and Turkmenistan and Armenian also. Now we are during equip layer sheds more than 100,000 per economic layer cage, and also another project in east of the Iran, Mashhad province, Mashhad city, Khorasan province, egg processing plant. This is the different project in Iran, because with this system we're making all equipment in Iran, breaking machine, pasteurizer, homogenizer, storage and cooling tanks, ice bank, utility like as boiler and a smart controller, cold storage and freezing tunnel and the filling system, another all of them we made it in Iran, and this is our honor for starting this project. Inshallah, we will finish it till 2 months later. This is our activity at this time.
That's great. That's very great. And inshallah, you please prepare the presentation of your products. Next time we will, you will give us the presentation of your products that you are manufacturing in Iran, and that quality is similar to the Big Dutchman and Showtime like. So please be prepared, and you are in your factory with your products, or you will show us your products and their characteristics and their all specifications. Okay.
Yes, I prepare one small video also from our factories. We have the a small factory in Iran.
Right.
One of them for the poultry equipment, another for the smart controller and control panel, and another for the food industry equipment. I will making a short video and also presentation and also the list of equipment with the specification and sent to you.
That's good. Your company is producing feeding system, nipple taker system, and the cages, huh?
All of the we're making all of the equipment except of nipple, manure belt, and
it means you have a controllers. You have
incubation,
right.
Just incubation equipment and nipples and manure
also
belt.
And
Other
also,
we're making in our company.
right. And also you provide the feed mill.
Yes, we're making the palletizer
Right.
and conditioners, big silo, more than 3,000 metric ton, and also mixers, all type of the mixer, horizontally, vertically, paddle type, ribbon type, and also grinders, blenders, transfer system, feed transfer systems, chain conveyor, augermatic system, a screw conveyor, everything, and also layer cage and a smart controller, pan feeding system, pullet cage, and nest for breeder, a slat for breeder and broiler, and a smart controller, control panel, fans, belt drive and direct drive fans, and also hopper, chain feeding system, and a small silo, and a clear, great dosator, everything.
Okay, that's very great. You also send me the all videos. We will also upload in our site, and we will also market in Pakistan also. And my students also have a lot of questions regarding the systems and the characteristic of the system, the efficiency of the systems. So thank you very much. So great. That's nice discussion regarding the your products. So great. Thank you very much, sir.